Hi, hello viewers. Very happy to meet you all. Today, under the heading of potency in our hand, we are going to see the preventive measures for premature ejaculation. Sorry. In last video, I told about premature ejaculations. Today, in this video, I am going to tell you the preventive measures for premature ejaculation. The premature ejaculation is a common normal thing to the man throughout the world. This is a normal thing. We need not worry about this. We need not have any fear about this. This happens to every man at one stage. We have to learn it to control this premature ejaculation. I am very happy to say you everybody can learn to control this premature ejaculation. I will tell you how we can learn. Generally, when a babies, that is from infant stages, they cannot control passing urine and shit. Wherever, whenever they feel, that is not a feeling, when the bladder, urinary bladder is fulfilled, automatically they will pass urine wherever they sit. Like shit, they will pass wherever it is filled. The childrens, that is the babies, don't know for certain age how to control. After certain period, that is after certain age, we, that is babies, we also come from baby stage, that was I told you babies, they will feel the feeling of passing urine and passing shits, defecation, that is known as a defecation. Whenever they feel bladder is full, they will go to restroom, they will pass the urine. It depends upon the feedback. Feedbacks nothing but the message sent to our brain. In this area, we have to take this like this. Feedback, that is sensory feedback. We have sensors, 5 sensors, through which we learn what's happened around us. This is outside sensory perception. Through 5 senses we can know what's happening around us. Like this, internally we have a sensory feelings. When you feel hungry, automatically you will know, come to know, there is some feel in your stomach. You will go for food. Like this, urinary passage, defecation, everything, you will have a kind of feeling, that is sensor, that is known as a sensory feeling, sensory feedback. When you learn the feedback, when you understand the feedback, when you feel the feedback, automatically you can control the defecation and the urination. At the same time, when you can feel the sensory feedback of hungry, you will go for food. So, the children, that is the babies, can learn the sensory feedback at a certain age, they will control urination, defecation. Okay. Like this, as far as our body, all reflexes are equal. The urination and defecation or digestion, heartbeat, breath, here all these all are reflex actions. Already I told you, reflex action nothing but action done without our conscious thought, that is conscious control, that is known as the. As far as the body, all reflexes are equal, all reflexes are dependent upon a sensory feedback. Okay. So, when a man, that is when a child can learn how to control urination and defecation, the same thing can be applied to controlling ejaculation. The ejaculation, a reflex action, it is not very different from urination and defecation. The man, some man can control premature ejaculation, and in bed they can stay for long time. How they can? That is question. If that person can do, certainly we can do, because the person who controls premature ejaculation and prolong his copulation, he learns the sensory feedback. Whenever we feel the stage of ejaculation, he will pause, then he will continue. Like this, he will prolong his copulation at a time period. So, like this, we can also learn the sensory feedback. Okay. Initially, in babies, the feelings is controlled through spinal cord, nerves starting from the spinal cord. After certain period, after certain age, this transferred to brain, at the brain. So, in the brain, the sensory feedbacks are interpreted. According to the sensory feedbacks, the body functions. So, when we can learn the urination and defecation, we can also learn the ejaculation. For this, we have to depend on the sensory feedback. The sensory feedback nothing but the feeling. When you want to ejaculate, the feel is certainly felt in our brain, but for some reason we are not able to feel it because of the emotions, because of the feelings, negative feelings, we are unable. So, what I am trying to say, when a man can learn to control the urination, defecation, he can control the same ejaculation. He can control the ejaculation like controlling urination, defecation, but it depends upon our sensory feedback. To feel the sensory feedback, our brain should be free, relaxed, then only we can feel the sensory feedback and control premature ejaculation. So, what I am trying to say, practice. First practice, second practice, third practice. So, day by day, automatically you can control the ejaculation and play for long time. So, by doing practice, initially we will not be able to control this premature ejaculation. By practice, we can control this premature ejaculation. For the starting stage, individuals have to practice whenever they masturbate. Whenever they masturbate, they have to start from masturbation. You have to practice in whenever you are doing masturbation. Slowly, you can control the ejaculation whenever masturbation, whenever doing masturbation. After that, you can transfer to heterosexual. Okay. The masturbation is nothing but doing yourself. Doing yourself is nothing wrong. It is actually it's a good habit for a human being. All animals are also doing this. This is not a sin. This is not a bad thing. You can learn everything in masturbation. Some people do masturbation at a very short time, very short period. The same will apply, the same will follow in heterosexual that leads to premature ejaculation. Whenever you do masturbation, slowly and prolonging this process of masturbation, that will help you to prolong in bed. You can control, it will help you to overcome the premature ejaculation. Okay, we must try, practice will make you perfect. At initial stage, you can't beat it. After practice, certainly you will gain a kind of control about this premature ejaculation. This is a common thing. This is not a permanent thing too. It will cured by changing our psychological factors and physical factors regarding physiological, that is bodily. If you have any problem, you have to rectify the problems regarding mind level and body level. After rectifying these problems, automatically it will be cured. Already I told you the measures, preventive measures. If you follow these preventive measures, what I told you in this video, it will be cured. At the same time, psychologically, we have some problem. Probably men have problem towards partner, hostile feeling, angry feeling, hatred feeling, and performance anxiety, fearness, afraid of premature ejaculation. These are all psychological feeling. And self-suggestion, like we will have a premature ejaculation in this time. This type of self-saying, self-suggestion also affect our ejaculation, that will lead to premature ejaculation. So we have to overcome these psychological feelings, psychological problem, and then problem regarding our body. If any problem regarding physically, we have to overcome these problems automatically it will be cured. Okay viewers, enjoy yourself, share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.